I can easily change 5 to 1,000. And by the way, I'm separating these 3 digits using an underscore. This makes my number more readable. We don't have to add this, but it just makes our code more readable. So let's run the program. Now we see the numbers 1 to 1,000. It's much easier than 1,000 lines of code, each printing a number, okay? Now let me show you something really cool. So I'm going to change this to 10. Now, instead of printing I want to print an expression. So I'm going to multiply I by a string, an asterisk. Now, you might be confused here because earlier I told you that in Python, we cannot concatenate a number to a string. But here I'm using the multiplication operator. Well, this is different. We can multiply a number by a string, and this will repeat that string based on the value of that number. So if I is 1, we're going to see 1 asterisk. If I is 5, we're going to see 5 asterisks. Let me show you. So when we run this program, we see this triangle shape because in the first iteration, I is 1. So we see 1 asterisk. In every iteration, I is incremented by 1. So we see 1 extra asterisk. And finally, in the last iteration, I is 10. And we see 10 asterisks on the terminal. So you have learned about 3 types of data in Python. We have numbers, which can be integers or floats. We have booleans and strings. These are what we refer to as primitive or basic types in Python.